guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Utrefon, and today I want to show you how to make vegetable stew, so stay tuned. So here I'm gonna add my oil, so I'm gonna add my onion, so I'll add my tomato, garlic and pepper, so here I have my green bell pepper, yellow and red bell pepper. So we are going to add all together. So now I will add my chicken. So now I'm going to cover it for about 5 minutes because of the chicken. So I want the chicken to cook very well. So right now I'm going to check. Alright, so I will add my knorr cube. So mix all together. So I will add my curry. So I have my tomato paste, so I will add it now. So cover it for about 5 minutes. So right now we are going to check. Look at that. So I will add a little salt, very little salt, not much. So I will leave it for about 10 minutes, then we will come back to it. So guys, let's check how the stew is cooking. Okay. So I will still leave it for about 3 minutes, then we'll come back to it. So guys, this is the end result of my stew. As you can see, it came out very perfectly. So if you've not tried this way, please give it a try. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Share this video to help someone. If you are new in my channel, you are most welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Also subscribe and share this video. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye.